Hi and welcome back to Curly Beauty 13. I'm Tiffany and in today's video I'm doing the April 2023 Curl Box unboxing. So as I open the box that comes in the mail, I realized there's no curl box this month. It's just the items in the box. So I have no curl box to show. So there's two pamphlets. One is the regular curl box one that talks about the items that I will go over. So I'm going to go through the pamphlet. This looks like the items that we got. I'm not sure if you can see them on camera because of all the lighting, but these are the items. So I'm going to go through each item after I read the pamphlet. It says Curl Rhythm, Science of Curls, and Tangle Teaser, a stroke of genius. When we got the call that there would be a new product on the market that was affordable, accessible, with a promise to deliver results to textured hair, we had to give it a try. Curl Rhythm is a new brand designed to give you the hair options you deserve with a perfect blend of moisture, protection, and definition available at Dollar General. The first item is a deep moisturizing curl shampoo. This is a 10 fluid ounce bottle. It has a 2 out of 4 moisture level, and in the pamphlet it says, say goodbye to sulfates and silicones and hello to gentle cleansing that removes dirt, oil, and buildup without overstripping your curls. So this looks interesting. The next item is a hydrating cleansing conditioner, and it says, transform dry brittle hair with this low lather cream cleanser. Provides maximum hydration to revive your curls. So the shampoo says it has baobab, shea, coconut, and aloe. And then this conditioner says it has baobab, I don't know if that's how you say it, shea, coconut, and marula. This is also 10 fluid ounces, but this is a moisture level 3 out of 4. The next item is the Deep Moisturizing Curl Conditioner. And this one says replenish your curls with much needed moisture to strengthen and protect them from root to tip. This one is also 10 fluid ounces and a 3 out of 4 moisture level. It has baobab, shea, coconut, and aloe. And then we have the leave-in conditioner treatment. This one says get added protection, shine, and definition with this leave-in. And this has baobab, shea, coconut, and argan oil. And it's 10 fluid ounces with a 4 out of 4 moisture level. These are sulfate, silicone, paraben, phthalate, petrolatum, mineral oil, dye-free, and no animal testing, as far as what I see on these bottles so far. The Deep Moisturizing Curl Conditioner does have silicone, so on the back it does say free of some of these items, but does not say free of silicone. So I just wanted to share that. And I'll continue and tell you what the other styling products have as well. The next item is this jojoba curl gel. This one says the ultimate styling solution for wash and go hair. With hold, moisture, shine, and protection, your curls will look and feel amazing. This is 6 fluid ounces with a 1 out of 4 moisture level. This one is sulfate, silicone, paraben, phthalate, petrolatum, mineral oil, and dye-free. So that is the curl gel. And the last styling product is the Defining Curl Cream. Infused with powerhouse ingredients like baobab and shea butter, this cream delivers moisture, hold, definition, bounce, and shine. This is 6 fluid ounces with a 2 out of 4 moisture level. And this one is also silicone, sulfate, paraben, phthalate, petrolatum, mineral oil, and dye-free. So I'm wondering how the leave-in works, if it's better to use with the gel or the cream, or it can be interchangeable. I'm interested in seeing how these work. So the cream does say you can layer with the gel for longer lasting results. So that's interesting to know. I'm glad that those things can work together because sometimes I do like to layer my products for my wash and goes. The fact that the gel said it was for wash and goes makes me very excited to try it. Yes, and the gel does say to layer with the cream, so that's good to know. And then the leave-in says you can use it with the cream or the gel. So I'm guessing we could do this first. We could have a whole cocktail and see how it works. But I can't wait to try all these. The last item, last but not least, is this Tangle Teaser Wide Tooth Comb. It has dual side detangling. It has a big side, and a smaller side. And I'm very interested in using this. I do have one that I misplaced. It's not pink, I believe it's purple. I can't wait to use this and see how it works, especially in my son's hair because his hair is a lot thicker than mine. But it says it is perfect for 3C to 4C hair. So I can't wait to see how this works. that was the April 2023 Curl Box unboxing. I'm very excited to try these new products. It's a new brand to me. I believe it's new altogether, and they have a lot of products that are interesting to me. Only one of them has silicone, and I don't mind silicone every now and then as long as I can wash it out, and I do clarify often, so I don't mind using silicone. So that is that deep moisturizing conditioner. They don't have a specific treatment that we received. I'll see if there are other items available that we didn't receive in the Curl Box, because I've never heard of this, so I don't know. But let me know if you received this Curl Box or if you've used these products before, and let me know if you use this comb and if you like it. I would love to hear your thoughts. If you would like to see my other Curl Box unboxings, you can click right here. And if you'd like to see my wash and goes, click here. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for unboxing with me today. Bye.